Hello there and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use static assets in the Pyramid web framework. So let's jump right into it. Basically what we would like to do is to create a file called staticassets.py, and from the wsgiref, that simple server, we import the make server. And from pyramid.config, we would like to import the configurator. And basically, if the name is equal to main, we will use the with statement as config. And we would like to use the config.add route. And we will have a hello route and specify the name and the config.add static view. The name is going to be static and the path is going to be static. So basically here we name our static view and give it the path, the folder basically, which will live under the root directory of our application. And we will use the include statement to include the template Jinja2 views. Hold on, this is going to be the scan. And here we would like to include the pyramid Jinja2, and after that we will create our application from the config.make wsgi app, and the server will come from the make server 0.0.0.6543 and the app, and the server that serve forever is going to be used to run it. Now create a static folder, and inside that we would like to create the app.css. And inside the app.css, what we would like to do is to create our body with margin 2am and the font family sans serif. Alright, now we can create. What should we create? So we had something called template Jinja2 views. So let's do it. vi template Jinja2 views.py, and here what we need to do is to create this from statement from pyramid.view import view config, and we will use this decorator and say that the route name is hello and the renderer is hello world.jinja2, and we will have the hello view function with the request and return the dict name equals request match dict name. Alright, now what we need to do is to create our hello world Jinja2. And this is already created, and what we have to do is to extend it. So we will have a link which is a style sheet, and the href is going to be /static app.css. Now what we need to do is to execute the static assets.py, and if we go and open up our Firefox and visit our HTTP 0.0 with the specified name, as you can see, we have the message. So what's wrong? Jinja2. Let's make this an HTML tag, rerun it, refresh it, and we have our appropriate rendering. We have the style sheet applied. So that was all I wanted to show you. See you in the next video.